Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make this yummy village food, Ugba and roasted yam. I washed the yam that I have. I washed it with soap, with water. I even use sponge. Now I'm removing the back. You can as well roast it the same way, and then cut up your onion. I'm using onions, so I'm cutting them in cube sizes. You can cut the way you want. You can also use food processor for yours. Now I am using the mortar. I'm going to pour it inside here and then roughly blend it. Unfortunately, I don't want to make noise with it, so what I did was just to pour it inside the food processor, and now it's blending. After blending, I pour them back into the mortar again. I don't want to do noise. I don't want my neighbors to complain because I feel the noise is so hard. Now what I added was my Cameroon pepper. I added the giri is there in there. Crayfish is in there as well. Now I'm going to smash them all together. Now it's time for you to add anything you want to add. I added oil, warm oil to this. Yeah, the oil must be warm. You can add salt. I didn't add any salt because there was salt in that ogiri. Yeah, so there's no need to add salt. I also added water. Say I added the stock cube as well, and now it is ready. Look at that, yummy, delicious.